Hello, welcome to today's educational video on how to transfer your crypto coins and token from Binance to another crypto exchange. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move your crypto from Binance to a different crypto exchange. In my previous video, I mentioned that Binance is leaving Canada due to new rules and regulations regarding stablecoins and new user registration. So if you missed that video, you'll find the link up here for you to watch it after this tutorial. It's important for you to watch that video because there is a deadline on when you need to close or move all of your positions out of Binance, okay? So in our next class, I'm going to show you how to transfer your coins and tokens from Binance to a secure cold hardware wallet. So, given the recent concerns about ledger seed phrase recovery, it's important to explore other safer and better alternatives. And one of the top choices for a crypto cold hardware wallet is a Tangem wallet. It's user-friendly and it can be set up within minutes. It's shaped like a credit card, meaning that it can easily fit into your wallet, and it prioritizes simplicity and ease of use while ensuring the safety and security of your crypto asset. Also remember, as I always tell you, it's important to buy directly from the manufacturer. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to get your Tangem Cold Hardware wallet directly from the manufacturer, and you can also use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your purchase. Okay, so now let's get back to today's topic: how to move your crypto from Binance to another crypto exchange. So if you are in Canada, one of the best crypto exchanges is NDAX. If you don't have an account yet with NDAX, you're going to find the link in the description below. So today, let's walk through the steps on how to transfer coins and tokens from your Binance account into your NDAX wallet. If you're not in Canada, you can also follow the same process. Maybe you want to transfer this to KuCoin or Coinbase or any crypto exchange of your choice. It follows the same logic. Okay, whatever I'm going to explain shortly is going to follow the same logic because most crypto exchange, they are very similar in how they operate. Okay, so let's log into our Binance account. So go ahead and log into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance account, on your desktop, you're going to come under wallet, click on fiat and spot. Once you click on fiat and spot, this is going to show you your outstanding balance. That is all the coins that you have on your own Binance wallet. Okay, it's going to show you. So as you can see here, I have tons of coins here. Okay, but just for simplicity, let's say you logged into your account and you have some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I'm going to show you an example on how to, let's say you wanted to transfer Ethereum from Binance to NDAX or any crypto of your choice. You're going to click on, you see here, going to click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. Here it shows the coin that you want to withdraw, which is Ethereum. Then here, as you can see here on the address, Binance is saying whitelist enabled, meaning that crypto withdrawals can only be made to whitelisted addresses. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on NDAX. So log into your NDAX account or whatever crypto exchange that you're using. Now I'm going to go on the wallet. I want to receive Ether. I want to receive Ethereum here. Okay, I'm sending Ethereum from Binance into NDAX. So I'm going to click on Ether. Right here, you can see receive. Okay, so I'm going to click on the receive. This is where I'm going to get my Ether address. Okay, so I'm going to choose ERC20. So here, my address is already displayed. So I can either use my phone to scan this if, for example, you're doing this on your phone. But because I'm doing mine on the desktop, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, it says copy to clipboard. Never type this out, okay? always just copy. So I've copied this, and I'm going to come back into Binance. Then I'm going to add whitelist address. Say Ethereum. Then I'm going to search for Ethereum. Then I'm going to paste the address here. So this is an ERC20. Select exchange platform. So this is from NDAX. So since NDAX is not written, you can just select others. Then I'm gonna put NDAX. Click on OK. If your exchange is not listed, you can always just use other, then you're going to write the name of the exchange, okay? But if your exchange, your crypto exchange is listed in the drop down, obviously just select that, then check this box and click on save. Now it's asking me to verify this, so I'm going to go through this verification process. Submit. So this has been whitelisted already. Going to go back into my withdraw address, just refresh this. So you can see now that whitelist enabled crypto withdrawals can only be made to this. So I'm going to select from my address book. It can show here, you can see it here. I just select this, then it shows, then you're just going to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You can withdraw everything since we're trying to close all our accounts in Binance. So you can click on maximum, spot wallet, then just click on withdraw. Obviously it shows you the network fee and everything. Okay, but because the ETH I have in my wallet is very small, less than $2, okay? So then you just click on withdraw. Just click on withdraw, and within a few minutes this should get to NDAX, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to be withdrawing it because it's just $2. It's just $2. So I'm going to go back to my wallet. If you wanted to do the same thing for Bitcoin, again, you follow the same logic. You click on withdraw, BTC, then you need to add a whitelist address. You just come to NDAX or whatever crypto exchange you're using, come under wallet, then you're going to look for Bitcoin, click on receive, click on Bitcoin. Again, it follows the same logic. So you have these two options, legacy or Segwit. I usually just use Segwit. That's what I've been using for quite a bit. Okay, so you can just use any one you want. I'm going to copy this. It follows the same logic. I come under add whitelist address, and I'm going to click on add address. Again, Bitcoin NDAX. You're going to select the coin. Again, we're using Bitcoin, that's BTC. I'm going to paste the address here. So automatically it knows that it's a Bitcoin address. Then whitelist it again. The origin, this is where you're going to select the crypto exchange. Here you're going to click on the drop down. Look, if any of your crypto exchange is not listed here, just click on others. Then I click on OK. Then I click on save. Then I go through the verification process. Then you can see I've already whitelisted both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so you can do that for all of the coins that you want to withdraw. So if, for example, you have a coin or a token that is not listed on the exchange that you want to send it to, you can just convert it to a stable coin, then move it to the crypto exchange that you want to send it to. For all of these ones that are just small, that they are really small, I'm just going to convert everything to BNB. You can see that all of this, they are very small. Some of it 50 cents, 35 cents, 29 cents. It's pointless sending this to another crypto exchange. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert all of the small balances to BNB. Okay, here I have about $88 BNB. So I'm just going to click on this, convert small balance to BNB. So I'm going to select everything. I just want to convert every single thing everything to BNB. So once you select that, it's going to show you what you're going to get in BNB. It shows you the fee. Just click on convert, confirm, conversion successful. Then I'm going to go back to my wallet, fiat and spot. You can see that the balance of my BNB has already gone up. So you can see now that I have this amount of BNB. Okay, so what I'm going to do again, I'm going to go back to index and see if we have BNB. We don't have BNB. So what we can do is we can just convert this again into a stable coin. So on index, since we have the USDC, which is a stable coin, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert my BNB into USDC so I can then send the USDC into my index account. If, for example, you had Cardano here, you can again follow the same process that we did for Bitcoin and Ethereum and just whitelist the address, and once you whitelist it, then you can just send it. So here under BNB, you can do this for any coin or token. Where it says trade, click on it, and I'm going to trade this for, I'm trading BNB for USDC. So here we can see BNB USDC. So this is what I want. I click on it. So I'm going to convert all of the Binance BNB that I have. That's 0.295. I'm going to convert it to USDC, and it's telling me that I'm going to get a total of 78.2045. So I'm just going to click on sell by BNB, confirm. So I'm going to go back to my wallet. Now you can see that I have majorly USDC. Okay, now I'm ready to move the USDC into my index wallet. So I'm going to come back to index, click on USDC. Again, we're going to whitelist this address, click on receive, because I'm receiving this from Binance. Okay, so next I'm going to select ERC20. I'm going to copy this, going to come back into my Binance wallet. I'm going to whitelist it, click on add address, USDC ERC20. So I'm selecting USDC. I'm going to paste the address here. So this is an ERC20. Again, I'm going to select order, click on OK, whitelist this. I'm going to verify this again, then submit. So this has been whitelisted already. Then I can just refresh this. Then I can select this. Just click on I understand. So as you can see here, you can see the network fee is 4.64 USDC. The reason why I'm showing you this is because withdrawing USDC using ERC20 is one of the most expensive. Okay, you can see here that I have 78 USDC. If I go ahead and do the withdrawal using this, I have to pay 4.64 USDC. But let's go back to index and click on receive. You say that we have the option for Binance Smart Chain, that's BEP20, and also Polygon. We're going to try Polygon. Polygon is usually much cheaper and faster, so I copy that. Then again, I'm going to go through the whitelisting process all over again. Click on this, add a new address. I whitelist it again, go through the verification process. I submit. So this is whitelisted already, so I can go back to my wallet, fiat and deposit, or fiat and spot, click on withdraw. So click on this. So I'm going to go with the one for Polygon. Just click I understand. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the network fee. It's much cheaper This is just 1 USDC. It's much cheaper than using the ERC20. The ERC20 we're going to pay 4.64, okay? Again, this is for Polygon. Let's try the one for BEP20. Again, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go through the same process again. I'm trying to show you just to see the different fees that are available so that you can make the decision to go with the lowest one, okay? So we have this prompt here. We know that index supports BEP20. So we're just going to click on whitelist. Now I want to withdraw using the BEP20. I see that. I understand. The fee for this is even way much cheaper. 0.145 USDC, right? When we used the one for Polygon, it was 1 USDC. When we used the one for ERC20, it was 4.64 USDC. So using BEP20, that's the cheapest way to make this withdrawal, okay? So I have 78 USDC. So I'm just going to transfer, let's just say 50 of this, okay? I'm going to transfer 50 of this. And this is the balance I'm going to get, 49.855. I'm going to select withdraw. Yes, I'm going to confirm it because it shows on my index. But if your crypto exchange does not support it, you can use the Polygon one or the ERC20, depending on the network that your crypto exchange supports, okay? So I'm going to click on confirm. Click on continue. I'm going to verify this. So it says complete. Good. So I'm just going to wait a few minutes for that transaction to go through. If I go back into my fiat and spot, it's showing that my available USDC is now 28.20. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for that to show up on my index wallet. I just received a notification that the withdrawal was successful. So if you go back on index and go on your dashboard, you can see that yes, the value of my portfolio has gone up. We can see right here on the transaction 49.855 USDC, and this took less than 2 minutes. It was pretty fast, and sending it using the BEP20 is the cheapest, as we saw just a few minutes ago. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to reading from you, and thank you for watching. In our next class, I'm going to show you step by step how to transfer crypto from Binance to your hardware wallet. That is specifically the Tangem wallet. Make sure you have your Tangem wallet ready before watching that video. To access the correct website for Tangem, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And don't forget to use the discount code BLOOMING for 10% discount on your purchase. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with your friends. I appreciate your support. Until then, I'm Blooming Omorin, your money coach, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.